Ravi was a young engineer traveling back to his hometown. The train he was on suddenly halted in the middle of a dense forest due to a technical failure. Panic ensued among the passengers as night approached. The railway staff seemed helpless, unable to repair the engine or contact the nearest station due to a signal breakdown. Observing the chaos, Ravi decided to take charge. He gathered a few able-bodied passengers and, with their help, set up a makeshift camp near the train using whatever resources they had. He organized teams for different tasks, one to collect firewood, another to scout the area for potential threats, and others to assist the elderly and children. Ravi's calm demeanor and quick thinking reassured the passengers. By evening, they had a safe campsite, a warm fire, and rationed food. Ravi used his engineering skills to analyze the train's problem and, with the help of some tools and cooperation from other passengers, managed to fix the issue temporarily. By morning, the train was ready to move. The passengers, grateful for Ravi's leadership, cheered as the train resumed its journey. Ravi's quick thinking and ability to lead in a crisis turned a potentially disastrous situation into a testament to the power of teamwork and resilience.